Hey guys, welcome back. It's just going to probably be a very quick video. I'm replacing the stock bumper that came on my Rubicon. Damaged it the last two events I've been at. I ordered a Chinese cheap EAG bumper. I have EAG on the front. It's actually held up really well. Had it on there for 2 years, three years now, and you know, it's gone over rocks. It has some dents and dings, but it's held up remarkably better than I thought it would for being cheap. So anyway, right here, I just took the lid off. You can see this bumper's come fairly well packaged. It did come with the accessories and a wiring harness. It has built-in LEDs for the reverse, and so we'll get this unpackaged, and I'll turn the Jeep around and take the old one off and swap the sensors around and put this one on. Hopefully, like I said, it'll only be maybe an hour and a half install. So if you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. So it's taking me a little bit longer than expected. The instructions said that there's a total of 4 bolts holding the bumper on. There's in fact 16, and you have to take them off in a logical fashion, as all the brackets will kink up and lock together. But I did get the old bumper off. That's what it looks like. I got the hitch off, all the wires disconnected. So now the next step is just to get the new bumper put on there and get this new bumper put on. And just so you guys know, if you do order this, I'll put a link down below. If you like this bumper, wait till it's done, you know, take a look at it. But it does not come with a license plate relocation bracket. So I'm gonna have to order one of those, and until then, I'm just gonna zip strip it up to my third brake light up here. Reason being I'm gonna zip strip the license plate up here is I have a whole new tailgate reinforcement system coming, an entire relocation bracket that'll hold up to a 40-inch tire. So that's on the way. And that'll be another video when I do that install. Downfall for that install is, in order to get to the hinges for your gate back here, they're back behind this panel, and you see I have this security enclosure here. You can't really get to it too well. I had to replace this light, this tail light over here, and it was a challenge. So I'm not real sure how that's gonna go. So that'll be a funny video if you guys tune in. I'm gonna shut down. This bumper should go on fairly easy. I know I said that about taking that one off, but this one literally only has 4 bolts, and it's reusing the 4 big ones I took off of the OEM bumper. And I'm not gonna do the wiring today. It's getting dark, it's starting to rain, and the mosquitoes are out. It's like 90 degrees in March here in Tampa, Florida. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Hey guys, I just want to show you something real quick. This thing weighs, I think 90 pounds, and I'm here by myself doing this. So a little ingenuity, put a pivot point on the bottom of it, get 1 bolt started over here, then we'll pivot this side up, get the bottom bolt started, and then we'll rotate the top and line it up. We'll get these top 2 bolts after we create a pivot point here on both sides. This one's already started, so then I'll lift it, and then that'll take the stress off of the strap. We'll be good to go. All right, guys, all done. Putting it back on. There's 2, 4, 6 bolts. Goes through the frame. No drilling, no nothing. It went on lickety split, but that's the final product. Like I said, we'll get the lights working. Probably in a couple weeks, have an event coming up this weekend called Jeeping for Justice, benefits Pasco County Sheriff's Department. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, just on a side note, I just want to show you on top of the bumper and the OEM tow hitch, all of this plastic here and metal, all of this and all of this is all trash. That's why everything costs so much. A bunch of worthless crap stuck on there to make it look pretty instead of functional.